Hey everyone, all the amazing people out there coming here from this beautiful, amazing lake. Today I'm going to tell you how to get like high ticket clients. What are the 3 things you have to do in order for you to get like more clients for your business organically without running a single dollar on paid ads. The number one most important thing is post lot of content, right? What happens is like when people don't know about you, they won't be able to build trust with you and they won't do business with you. The first most important thing is start posting more content which is going to be relevant for your audience needs, desires, problems. Talk about like what are the solutions you can give to your specific group of people which is going to really help them out, right? Give them lot of value. That is the number one most important thing. Second thing is build genuine relationship. Only when you are able to build genuine relationship, like you will be able to do amazing business. Like if I will show you like an example. You guys can see, right? Here is the water, right? Like if you don't build good relationship, it's going to fall down. Now see, there is water. I have just taken little water in my hand, right? If you don't build relationship, like if I'm removing each finger, like the entire water is gone, right? Like the most important thing is if you are able to build long-term relationship, more clients are going to stay with you and more people are going to do business with you. And that's the most important thing. Like you have to build great relationship with people, right? And that can happen how? By you giving lot of value and you genuinely caring them and helping them exactly how you can help them out, right? And that is like building proper trust. And the third most important thing is bring them to your Facebook group, like give a lead magnet, right? Tell them like give lot of value. In my case, I give them like my free course, like the foundation program, which actually tells them exactly how to laser focus, how to start the consulting business, how to go about start building the tribe. Give them genuine value. Either you can give like your free course, free PDF or like free ebook or something which can actually help them out in whatever they are doing, right? Like this is the 3 ways. By doing this, like your customer is going to know you and they will trust with you, right? And as they are seeing you every single time, like you posting videos, you posting content, like post all those things, and that's how like they will like you will be able to build like real connection with your audience. And that's how one fine day they are going to ask you, hey man, like I really like your whatever you're doing, I want to work with you, I want to learn from you. Then you can share like your link, and that's how I basically have got like so many clients from so many different countries. And let me know guys, like if you guys liked it, which one did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to learn more, do message me. I'm really happy to help you out and bring a massive change in yourself, right? I'm from this amazing lake chilling out, and see, and it's all about like you have to be authentic, right? Don't be that person who always in a serious way, right? Like you do something like it should be like casual, like people just like you, right? And yeah, be yourself, be you, believe in yourself, and that's how you'll be able to get like more clients organically. I hope you guys got great value, and do let me know in the comments, and see you soon everyone in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.